Unity is our power. Our power is our unity. This is our diplomatic community. Look at our community. Pan-African world, I'm talking about we Kemetic. Yeah, go read about it. We Kemetic. Magnetic. Together we can't stop. We won't stop. The pyramids that were made in Kemet were the same pyramids in Mexico, Tulum, Tenochtitlan. Look it up. The old Mex. Together we one blood, one nation, one God. From the sun, S-U-N, Ra. Together we got it all. Allah. Arm, leg, arm, head. Together we are always better. We got our own homestead. We own the world. Indigenous bread, indigenous DNA. We indigenous. Repeat the words that we say. We're not African American. We're not like that. We're indigenous black, indigenous black, indigenous black. From the beginning, black. Our unity is our power. Our power is our unity. Yes, sir. I love you too. That's my daddy. Together we gonna always stay true.